What's going on, everyone? We got a 2023 Honda HRV. We're doing the cabin air filter in it today. This will be located behind your glove box, so you're going to want to lower the glove box. First step, disconnect the damper you have here. Push it down, disconnect it. It's just a hook. And then you have these glove box stoppers here. We're going to need to pull the glove box in, pull it down a little bit, and you can lower it. Okay, now we can actually take this whole glove box off. This here's what the hinge looks like. Just pretty much lays up on here, so makes it pretty simple. Cabin air filter is located in here, so to take this door off, we just push this tab in, pull towards us. Same thing on this side. Now notice this says up, so when we go to put it back, we want to put it exactly how we took it out. All right, so we got a Honda factory filter in here. Notice that it says airflow is going to be down. Filter's pretty nasty. We'll go ahead and get this new Napa one. If you need one, check the description box. I'll have the link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up if you need one. So our Napa one has arrows on it for airflow also. It's just going to be down. Okay. So you notice that the filter has two different sides. It has this cardboard side and just the filter side. Cardboard sides go on the sides. It slips right in there. Just get the door and it just snaps on. It's super duper easy. And glove box, it just lays up on there like that. We close it, and then we hook this back up.